How to fix Snapchat error code SS07. Hey everybody, this tutorial is going to be about how you can easily fix this error. So let's just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser. I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Once you open up the browser, hit on the search bar and simply search for Snapchat Unlock or Snapchat Support. Now hit enter. And you'll see this option called My Snapchat account is locked or this unlock button on accounts.snapchat.com. If you click on this unlock button, you'll be taken directly to this page. So if your account is locked, just enter your email or username, tap on next. And once you have done that, you're going to have to enter your password. And if your account is locked, you will have an option to easily unlock your account. If you don't find it here, what you can do is go back and click on My Snapchat account is locked. Now just scroll down and then from here click on My account was locked temporary. Now scroll down and if you see the Snapchat app to your account has been temporarily locked due to unauthorized third-party app plugin, then you're going to have to contact their support team. In order to do that, tap on the three lines at the top left and then from here go to Snapchat support. Click on My account is compromised. And then the next step here is to enter your details like your username, your email, your phone number, and then finally explain why you think your account was locked and say that you've done nothing wrong. Click on submit. They'll contact you back on your phone number or your email and just follow their instruction. You should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys and I'll see you on the next one.